as it relates to the experience my wife Megan and I just concluded, we took the time to do the research. There is so much information readily available online. We certainly availed ourselves to all of it. We asked questions. We called different companies and asked them to send us examples of their work. We spoke to people in the community who have had similar renovations done on their home. And at the end of this process, we had whittled it down to 2 different companies. And it was at this part of the process where NEPA Builders just really stood out. Matt from NEPA Builders came over. He, in short order, made it very clear that he was only interested in carrying out our vision. He asked all of the proper questions so he could have a better understanding of exactly what it was we were looking to accomplish. And maybe even more important than all of that, he established a comfort level and a trust that Megan and I had. And I'm really thrilled to say that trust and comfort level never wavered throughout the entire process. A process that ended up with us having the exact beautiful signature room that we were hoping for. And that was really entirely because of all of the great professionals at NEPA Builders.